Hi, I'm Gretchen Sell, Director of Education for Design Master Color Tool. Today I'd like to show you the spray tips I use with our products creating this little treasure box. To begin with, you want to prep the container, prep the box by lightly sanding it so you get the little imperfections out of the way. Then we do a basic technique of spraying the Color Tool product on the box. Make sure that you shake the can accordingly, and then starting off of the box, start spraying in parallel even strokes back and forth, starting from the bottom and going up and back and forth. It's nice to work on a turntable as you can spray, turn it around to the direction that you want to use as you're working with it. Keep turning it around. As you notice, I also took most of the hardware off before we proceeded with the spraying technique. It's going back and forth, nice light even strokes. And then to do the top, the same technique. About 8 to 12 inches away gives you a nice smooth even coat. It's good to apply in light coats rather than one strong heavy coat. We'll let this dry and come back with a second coat. I put a second coat of the Olive Bright on the box, and I did let them dry between coats in doing so. As you can see, 2 coats does give you a nice coverage, and you can leave the box as this, like this, as a finish, but for a little bit more of a professional feel to it, a simple trick is to take just a basic piece of paper and use it as sandpaper and lightly sand all sides of the surface, and removing the little imperfections that gather on it as the paint is wet. Just very lightly and very simple. It is totally amazing how that smooths that out. Now, to give a little more of a protected finish to it, we would spray the Design Master Clear Finish gloss on top of it, using the same principles that we started with in applying the paint. We start from one side, off the coat, off the edge, and go back and forth for a nice even coat, going up, back and forth the sides of the box. Keeping the nice parallel even strokes gives you a great coverage, and keeping it about 10 to 12 inches away from the surface prevents any drippage of the spray. If you get too close, they'll definitely be dripping. And then the top. Make sure also to do the base of the bottom of the box so you have a complete covering. We let the box dry, and then we embellish it with any kind of a little extra scrapbooking items, rub-on transfers, any little decoration that you'd like to apply to it to create a personalized keepsake box for you or someone you care.